Students, we are studying dimensional analysis. In dimensional analysis, we have studied some physical quantities. Remaining physical quantities, let's study. Okay. Consider about the physical quantity moment of inertia. Moment of inertia. Okay. Now you have to know what is moment of inertia. It is represented by I. Its formula is mass into distance square. A very small concept about this physical quantity is in a circular motion. Let us consider a particle of mass m is moving in a circular path. Its distance from the center is r. Then its moment of inertia will be equal to mass into distance square. M square. Okay? Moment of inertia. Only this small concept you have to remember in your mind. Okay? Mass into distance square. Its dimension formula will be equal to mass means capital M, distance capital T square. Dimension formula of moment of inertia is ml2. Dimension formula of moment of inertia is ml. Let us take some physical quantities from thermodynamics and thermal conduction. Consider about physical quantity heat. You know it is a type of energy. What is this? This is also an energy. Then its dimension formula will be equal to dimension formula of energy ml2 T minus 2. Next physical quantity is specific heat. Third is specific heat. Specific heat capacity. Specific heat लिखे या specific heat capacity लिखे बातें की है. It is represented by small c. It is equal to capital Q by m delta T. What is Q means energy and m is the mass, T is the temperature difference. Means if we write in words, then we can say that heat transferred upon mass into temperature. Now its dimension formula will be equal to ml2 T minus 2, dimension formula of heat, upon dimension formula of mass is capital M. Dimension formula of temperature is capital K. Somewhere it is written as theta. Theta means theta as okay. K can be replaced by theta. दोनों का मतलब एक ही है. C dimension formula of C will be equal to M is cancelled out, that is n0, L at 2 remains as it is, T minus 2, K come in numerator with negative sign, so negative power. Okay. So dimension formula of heat capacity, specific heat capacity will be equal to m0, L2, T minus 2, K minus 1. Okay. Now next one is latent heat. Latent heat. It is represented by capital Its formula is capital L. Its formula is heat energy upon mass. That is capital Q by M. Okay. So where it is represented by capital Q? It is. मतलब it is energy ना. तो what is this type मतलब latent heat है ना. यहाँ पर तो स्पेसिफिक हीट का मतलब क्या हुआ? यूनिट मास का टेम्परेचर 1 डिग्री राइज करने के लिए जितनी हीट यूनिट मास किसी सब्सटेंस के यूनिट मास का टेम्परेचर 1 डिग्री राइज करने के लिए जितना हीट एनर्जी की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है उसे स्पेसिफिक हीट कहते हैं. ऐसे ही टेम्परेचर राइज करने पर सब्सटेंस वन स्टेट से अदर स्टेट में जाता है. जैसे सॉलिड से लिक्विड बनता है और टेम्परेचर राइज करो तो लिक्विड से गैस में बनता है। ठीक, यूनिट मास, किसी सब्सटेंस के यूनिट मास को एक स्टेट से दूसरे स्टेट तक ले जाने में जितनी एनर्जी की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है उसे बोलते हैं लेटेंट हीट। लेटेंट हीट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड टू convert unit mass of a substance from one state to another. Okay, let's take it. Its dimension formula will be equal to dimension formula up to m L2 T minus 2 upon mass capital M. Now its dimension formula will be equal to m0 L2 T minus 2. Okay. Next one is thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity, it is represented by capital K. Now, what is this? Let us consider this is a heat conducting rod, but heat can flow from its one to another. Its length is L. Its cross-sectional area is A, and temperature difference across heat flows due to temperature difference. Temperature difference equals delta. Then rate of flow of heat. Rate of flow of heat, that is Q by T. Energy per unit time. Rate of flow of heat is directly proportional to its cross-sectional area, temperature difference, and inversely proportional to length. To remove this physical quantity, to remove this proportionality, we multiply a constant capital K. This capital K is thermal conductivity. To find its dimension formula, we can write capital K is equal to this L comes to multiply with the capital upon area, and temperature difference comes to divide the temperature and multiply to T, that is area into time into temperature difference. In words, we can write thermal conductivity is equal to heat energy into length of the thermal conductor upon area into time into temperature power 4. In short, to learn it, we can use EL by AGT power 4. K is equal to EL by AGT power 4. Okay. Now we can write K is equal to dimension formula of thermal conductivity is equal to dimension formula of energy m/T minus 2 into dimension formula of L upon dimension formula of area L2 dimension formula of time capital T dimension formula of temperature capital K power 4. K is equal to m remains as it is. L2 is cancelled out by L2. This L remains here, and T power minus 2 and minus 1 comes from here, becomes minus 3, and K comes in numerator with negative power. Means dimension formula of thermal conductivity is equal to mass length ml T minus 3 K minus 4. Okay. Let's come to know about the dimension formula of universal gas constant. What is 4th, 5th, next 6th one is universal gas constant. Capital R is equal to PV by NT. Capital R is equal to PV by NT. Here P is pressure. P is Remember that P is pressure. And pressure is equal to force upon area. Its dimension formula will be equal to force. Dimension formula of force is NLT minus 2 upon area L2. It will become M. Here L is 1 and minus 2 comes from denominator, becomes minus 1. L minus 1 T minus 2 ML minus 1 T minus 2. Okay? Now let's run. P is equal to this and write dimension formula of pressure here. Dimension formula of universal gas constant is equal to P is L minus 1 T minus 2 into volume L3 into number of moles mole into temperature capital T. Take all the things in numerator, it will become M. L minus 1 plus 3 become plus 2 L2 T minus 2 mole minus 1 Kelvin minus 1. So dimensional formula of universal gas constant will become M L2 P minus 2 mole minus 1 Kelvin K minus 1. Okay. Next one is Boltzmann constant. What is Boltzmann's constant? Boltzmann's constant, small k is equal to energy upon temperature. Energy upon temperature. Dimension formula of energy is mL2T minus 2 upon temperature means K. mL2 T minus 2 upon K. The dimension formula of small k and Boltzmann constant is equal to mL2 T minus 2 K minus 1. Okay. This k is small means Boltzmann constant. This k is capital means Kelvin. Okay, students. Now, next one is Stephen's constant. Next one is Stephen's constant. What will be our Stephen's constant? It is also represented by sigma. This is equal to energy upon area. Energy upon area into time means energy per unit area per unit time. Energy upon area into time into temperature power 4 into temperature power 4. The dimension formula of sigma will become dimension formula of sigma means क्या बोलते हैं स्टीफन्स कांस्टेंट will become equal to dimension formula of energy means mL2T minus 2 upon area means L2 time means capital T and temperature means capital K to the power 4. Now dimension formula of sigma will become m remains as same. L2 is cancelled out by L2 means L0. T minus 2 minus 1 comes from denominator, that is minus 3 and K minus 4. This is the dimension formula of Stephen's constant. You have to study it in detail in thermal conduction. Okay. Next thing is Wien's constant, W-E-I-N-S, Wien's constant. Its dimensional formula is equal to wavelength into temperature. Wavelength means also the length, so its dimensional formula will become L, temperature means K, L K या K है, ओके? थीटा एल को एक ही पे लिखते हैं, तो कंफ्यूज होने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay students, I think you have learned it and no problem to you. Okay, thank you students. Okay students, welcome in physics with Rahul Giri. You are studying about dimension analysis. In last lectures I have discussed some physical quantities and their dimensional formula. Let's discuss some more physical quantities and their dimensional formulas from electricity. Okay? First one is electric charge. Electric charge. It is represented by small r capital Q. It is equal to electric current into time. Its dimensional formula will be equal to dimensional formula of electric current, that is capital A, time is capital T. AT. Its dimensional formula is AT. Next one is electric field. Intensity. Capital, it is represented by capital E. It is equal to force upon charge. Force upon charge, and this will be equal to its dimensional formula will become dimensional formula of force times LT minus 2 upon charge means 80. Now its dimensional formula will become ML T minus 2, minus 1 comes from remainder, that is minus 3, and A minus 1. Okay? Dimension formula of electric field intensity is MLT minus 3A minus 1. Next physical quantity is electric flux. Electric flux. It is represented by phi E, या simply phi. Okay? So dimension, it is equal to electric field into area. Area means its dimensional formula will become dimensional formula of electric field M L T minus 3 A minus 1 into dimensional formula of area, that is L2. Now it will become M L 3 1 plus 2 3 T minus 3 and A minus 1. Okay? A minus 1. It is the dimensional formula of electric flux. Hello dear students. Next one is electric dipole moment. It is equal to charge into length. बेटा what is this? बहुत सिंपल वे में कहूँगा, आप लोग H2O मॉलिक्यूल को H प्लस OH माइनस के रूप में लिखते हैं. हाँ? H स्मॉल पॉजिटिव स्मॉल नेगेटिव. ओके? ऐसे NaCl हो गया, और भी होता है CH3 COO नेगेटिव H पॉजिटिव. ऐसा लिखते हैं. मतलब ये ऐसे कुछ स्पेसीज हैं, कुछ सिस्टम है जिसमें इक्वल एंड अपोजिट चार्जेस वेरी स्मॉल सेपरेशन भी होते हैं. ऐसे सिस्टम को इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल. और क्वांटिटी है इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मोमेंट। इसकी वैल्यू क्या होती है? चार्ज, इनमें से किसी भी एक पर चार्ज कितना है, इनकी लेंथ कितनी है, तो चार्ज इनटू लेंथ। अभी इसको आगे आप डिटेल में पढ़ोगे, अभी तो सिर्फ हमने सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट दिया है, ठीक। इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मोमेंट इक्वल टू चार्ज इनटू लेंथ। तो बेटा चार्ज का डायमेंशन फार्मूला एक ही, लेंथ का डायमेंशन फार्मूला एल, तो इसका डायमेंशन फार्मूला हो गया LTA। नेक्स्ट वन इज इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल। व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल? इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल इक्वल टू वर्क अपॉन चार्ज यू हैव स्टडीड इन क्लास 10th। ओके, वर्क अपॉन चार्ज, यूनिट चार्ज को किसी इंफिनिटी से किसी पॉइंट तक ले जाने में इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स के अगेंस्ट जो वर्क करना पड़ता है वही पोटेंशियल है, इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल है। ओके, इसमें ज्यादा कोई कठिन बात नहीं, इसमें सिंपली वर्क अपॉन चार्ज। डायमेंशन फार्मूला आप लोग कीजिए 20 - 2 और चार्ज मतलब 18। तो इस डायमेंशन फार्मूला विल बिकम ml2 t - 2 - 1 from denominator that is -3 and a - 1। डायमेंशन फार्मूला इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल है। नेक्स्ट वन इज इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल रेजिस्टेंस। इलेक्ट्रिक रेजिस्टेंस कैपिटल R इक्वल टू V अपॉन I। पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अपॉन करंट होता है इसका फार्मूला, यू हैव स्टडीड इन क्लास 10th इन ओम्स लॉ। देन यू कैन राइट द R इक्वल टू V अपॉन I। डायमेंशन फार्मूला ऑफ V इज ml2 t - 3 t - 1 अपॉन I means current capital A। Dimension formula of electric resistance will become ml2 t - 3 a - 1, and minus will come from denominator, therefore it will become -2, ml2 t - 3 a - 2। Resistance, after resistance you can study about specific resistance या resistivity। Okay, 7th is resistivity. It is represented by it is represented by rho. Its formula is R into A by L. Its formula is R into A by L. So dimension formula of R in resistance is ml2 t - 3 a - 2. Okay, this A means area. What is area? Means L2, and this L means length. Dimension formula of resistivity will be ml2, देखिए, no, 2 + 2 4 -1 3 ml3 t - 3 a - 2 ml3 t - 3 a - 2. This will be the dimension formula of resistivity. Okay, next quantity is electric permittivity. Electric permittivity is equal to charge square upon force into distance square. Okay, charge square upon force into distance square. Its dimension formula will become, dimension formula of charge means AT to the whole square upon dimension formula of force mlt - 2, and dimension formula of distance is L. So dimension formula of electric permittivity is equal to m - 1 till it will come in numerator and the power become opposite side. So L - 1 t to the numerator, -2 come in numerator become positive, that is t power 4. Okay, so here L and L powers become 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 in numerator it will become minus 2. Okay. T 2 इधर से है तो 2 नीचे से आएगा 4. A square is 2. The dimension formula of critical permittivity is m minus 1 L2 T4 A2. Okay. डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला इस तरीके से हमने इलेक्ट्रिक परमिटिविटी का भी निकाल लिया.